As in the introduction of Express, we saw about a feature that is route tables. In the previous example as well, we saw how a GET request is being processed. So in this particular video, we'll see something more about this routing. As routing refers an application, how an application is actually responding to a particular request made by a client. So as in the previous video as well, we saw this syntax where app is my express object dot method that could be get post. In the previous video, we saw about the get path for which the request has been made for which particular page of sequence, and the handler, which is nothing but a callback function. So we've already done this, but in this video we'll see some more combinations using which you can do the routing even more effectively. And you can also add number of handlers for a single route, as each route can have one or more handler functions. So if you want to do some multiple functionalities on a particular request or on a route, you can do that as well. So let's see all these things practically now. So in this program we'll see something more about the routing. Like in the previous program we just saw about this requesting the home page, but now after that we can also make a request to any particular page. For example, here I am making a request to the users which will be lying under the home page, means in the hierarchy wise. So whenever you will add like /users after your localhost and port number, you will make a request for the users page. Similarly, if you have n number of pages with different names, you can just add the get request for them all. We will also see about the post, put and delete request, but later in the later videos. Here we'll just focus on get so far. And at last, like here, what you can see is I have put an asterisk symbol, which simply means like the name must be ended with the list, whether it's an employee list, department list, or whatever list you are requesting for. All the requests would be handled by this particular get method. So this asterisk is representing any number of characters before this list word. And in the callback function of all, I have printed one message in the console that will be on the server side, and one message I have sent on the client browser so that a user will get the proper messaging. Now at last I have started the server using the listen method using the port number 3000 like the previous program, and then server started is the message. So let's come to the console console, and using the node command let's execute this program. So you see server started, and now let's get back to the browser to make a request. So here let's request for this particular page, as here I requested for the home page, localhost 3000, I got the home page like hello home, and parallelly in this command prompt also on the server side you would be getting some messages. Similarly, as soon as I will make a request for the users page, you will get the user page, and again one message here in the command prompt, and let's say employee list, so page listing. Similarly, if you will change it to something else like department list, again the same thing, right? That must be ended with the list, and in the beginning you can put anything, but if none of the things will be matched, you will get the error like that. So this is how you can start planning about the routing things in your Express application.